Patio Doors Dallas, Texas should be handled by a patio door contractor Dallas, Texas who understands local weather, home styles, and performance needs in Dallas, Texas. From residential patio door installation Dallas, Texas to patio door installation in North Dallas, the right team can fit modern patio doors, sliding patio doors, double sliding doors, French patio doors Dallas, Texas, and custom patio doors in Dallas with precision. Homeowners looking for affordable patio doors Dallas, Texas or premium patio doors in Dallas, Texas can choose from glass patio doors, vinyl patio doors, aluminum patio doors, and wood patio doors for a style that matches the property and improves daily use. Patio door replacement Dallas, Texas is often the best solution when a door is outdated, damaged, drafty, or difficult to operate. A full patio door upgrade can improve curb appeal, comfort, and security while supporting energy-efficient patio doors Dallas for lower utility costs. Whether the project involves residential patio door service or commercial patio door services Dallas, Texas, a skilled patio door specialist Dallas, Texas can recommend the best materials, measurements, and finishes for long-lasting results throughout Dallas, Texas. Sliding patio doors Dallas, Texas is essential when rollers stick, tracks drag, or panels no longer close smoothly. A dependable patio door repair near Uptown Dallas or patio door repairs in Oak Cliff, Dallas may include patio door hardware replacement, patio door lock repair Dallas, patio door sealing, or patio door weather stripping Dallas, Texas to restore function fast. Same-day patio door repair Dallas is especially helpful for busy households and businesses that need immediate service from sliding glass door experts Dallas, Texas. Patio door glass replacement Dallas, Texas can make a major difference when cracks, fogging, chips, or seal failure affect safety and appearance. Glass patio doors with damaged panes can lose efficiency and reduce natural light, so timely patio door glass replacement helps protect the home while restoring clarity. For properties needing stronger performance, energy-efficient patio doors Dallas with updated glazing can improve insulation and support year-round comfort across Dallas, Texas. French patio doors Dallas, Texas remain a popular choice for homeowners who want elegance, open views, and easy access to outdoor living spaces. These custom patio doors often pair beautifully with traditional and modern architecture, especially when installed by patio door specialists Dallas, Texas who understand fit, balance, and operation. From patio door installation Dallas, Texas to patio door replacement near Lakewood, Dallas, the right design can elevate the entire backyard, patio, or sunroom experience. Patio door frame repair in Dallas is often necessary when moisture, settling, or age causes warping, gaps, or structural wear. A proper patio door inspection can identify whether the issue is limited to the frame, or whether patio door maintenance should also include patio door hardware repair Dallas, Texas, patio door lock repair, or patio door weather stripping. When the frame is restored correctly, patio door sealing and alignment improve, helping the door close tightly and operate smoothly. Patio door screen replacement Dallas, Texas and patio door screen repair are important for ventilation, pest control, and everyday convenience. Screens that tear, bend, or detach reduce the comfort of sliding patio doors and French patio doors alike, especially in homes that rely on fresh air and outdoor access. For families in Dallas, Texas, residential patio door service can cover screen work along with patio door maintenance, patio door inspection, and patio door hardware replacement for a complete refresh. Energy-efficient patio doors are a smart upgrade for homeowners who want better performance without sacrificing style. With options like vinyl patio doors, aluminum patio doors, and wood patio doors, it is possible to balance appearance, durability, and insulation across different home designs in Dallas, Texas. A patio door contractor Dallas, Texas can compare modern patio doors, custom patio doors, and double sliding doors to find the best fit for patio door installation Dallas TX or patio door replacement Dallas, Texas. Patio door hardware replacement can solve problems like loose handles, faulty latches, worn rollers, and sticking locks before they become larger issues. When homeowners search for patio door repair Dallas, Patio Door Lock Repair Dallas, or Patio Door Hardware Repair Dallas, Texas. They often need a team that can diagnose the source of the problem quickly and restore smooth operation. Reliable residential patio door service also helps protect the home by improving security and ensuring every component works properly. Patio door service near downtown Dallas should be fast, professional, and tailored to the unique needs of urban homes, condos, and commercial spaces. From Patio Door Repair Dallas, Texas to Patio Door Replacement Dallas, Texas, local specialists can handle patio door frame repair, patio door glass replacement, patio door screen repair, and patio door weather stripping with attention to detail. Whether the job is patio door repairs in Oak Cliff, Dallas, patio door repair near Uptown Dallas, or patio door installation in North Dallas, experienced support keeps sliding patio doors and French patio doors performing their best.